It's a new month and God's gonna bless you. Thank you for joining in today. I'm going to create this design. Now, this design has very simple structure if you understand design. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump right into this tutorial. The first thing I want to do is to work on the background. This is the color theme for the background, and I have brought it right here. Okay, as you can see it right there. We have three colors majorly: pink and the navy, very dark navy blue, and then the orange. These are the color, or dark yellow you would say. So without further ado, let's start. So I want to first bring in a logo. This is the logo. Now the logo is going to be there, very small. Okay, just adjust it here. All right, then I'll bring in the church name. Now for these, I'm going to be using a vertical. Vertical is one of the most decent fonts I've ever seen. It's just like Montserrat. So the Masters Place International. Okay. International Church, right? Okay. So it's 4 lines. Then this guy, we can copy it out like this. Just cut it out. So I can just adjust this here. Right. So that's number 1. Okay, so you can put it there like this. Then you can come here now and paste this guy here. So we use a script font for it, so just come over here, look for a script font. Let's see this. I think this is not bad, but you have to use padding and bring it out very well, and then change the color to white. Okay, and then you adjust it there. All right, let's adjust it there. Okay, so I'm introducing you to my 14 days flyer design masterclass. It's going to be a very awesome one, and I don't want you to miss it. The registration fee is just 5,000 naira, and there's going to be a link in the description for you to register for this class. It's going to be awesome, super awesome. Let me show you some of the things you're going to be learning in this awesome class. Let me move ahead and show you some of the things you're going to be learning. Now, in this class, you're going to be learning the mindset tech talk. You're going to learn where I explain graphic design principle. You're going to learn, I'll show you 4 apps that I use to design and how to use it to the best of their function. Okay, I'm going to give you practicals. I'm going to give you how I finish my design. Before I even start design, I finish design already. I want to show you principle, 5 secrets that some of your coaches will never ever tell you. I'm going to tell you very plainly. I will tell you business you can do aside graphic design. I will tell you how to make clients come to you. Sometimes you go to client, but I will tell you how to make clients come to you, and many other things you're going to see just on your screen. On the 14th of this May to on the 28th, you're going to be learning this in the flyer design masterclass. Don't miss it. Now I'm going to take out this old background very soon, but I want to show you something. I want to bring in the picture we're going to be using. This is the picture. Okay, now the background we have here, is, there are 2 backgrounds. There are 2 colors rather. So we have 2 colors, right? So the first color is this color here. Then the second color here is this color right here. Alright, so these are the 2 colors we have. Alright, so we can bring this out. So it's something like this. Are you seeing that now? Alright, so we'll still use other part of the design to create some effects. That is, for example, we can come over here now. I can bring this guy. Alright, so this guy here, we'll do it like this. We'll turn it like this. It's going to cover this part of the design. Alright, so we'll bring the same color here. Alright, so we'll bring it here. Still copy it and bring it here. This time around we'll do this, push it there. Alright, so this image will come to the front, no problem. Let's still work on it. Just bring out this. Alright, so I have something like this. So I can bring this guy now. I'll copy it, I'll reduce it, and I'll increase the opacity like this. So I'll use it to cover the edges of this particular picture, so that it's going to now blend to the background like this. All right, So this ant here, we're going to cover it too because we want to put something there. So I'm going to cover it like this. Okay. All right, so I've covered it, right? So now I'm going to come over here now, bring in, now these, you first of all create these guys. All right, so I'm bring them to the front. You first of all create them like this. After creating them like this, you would save them as PNG. That is, you remove all the background, save them as a PNG. So let me show you what I did. I'm going to delete them now. Then I'm going to bring it back again because I have saved them as PNG like this. So save them without a background. All right, so let me select first the one I want to use. So I'm going to select this one first. Okay, that's the oil. So I selected the oil, right? So I'm going to do this, increase the brightness. All right, then I'm going to come over here and do the perspective. All right, enable it and then start moving the way you want it to be moved. All right, so okay, okay, okay. All right, so it's something like this. All right, I'm going to add some other effect to it, but it's something like that. Okay, then let's bring in this guy. Just copy this and bring in this Avengers here. All right, so we can do the same thing. All right, as you can see now, it's already set. So we can do the same thing for the Avengers and put it right here. All right, we can even add a background to it and push the background towards these parts. All right, then we can copy and do the same thing. Now crop this guy out because it's the word, the full word is Avengers. So we can crop this guy out and we'll just increase it like this. All right, so we'll just turn it like this. All right, so I'm going to come over here and increase, do this and increase brightness. All right, can you see that now? So but it's looking like it's too big, so let's reduce it like this. Okay, reduce it. Let's reduce this also. Okay, bring this here. All right, bring this here and bring this here. Okay, now there's some stuff we have there around this old design there, so let me reduce this a little more. All right, reduce this a little more. Still move it to the top, move it here. All right, so I push this here also. So let's bring in this guy, a sticker. Okay, so sticker is going to act as a lens flare. Let's bring in something that's colorful because you're going to change the color. So let's bring in this guy and then you drag it like this, put it like this. Then you come over to where you have this color and then try to look for something that is like orange. All right, something like this. So you can put it here, increase the brightness a little, you can put it there. All right, okay, then you can, I'm seeing something there I don't like, so let me cut it. Okay, okay, so you can do this, you can copy it and put it maybe around here too. All right, so we can bring in this guy now, this image right here. I'm not saying it. Okay, this is it. You can bring it here. All right, so what we're going to do now is let's send it to the back. I see that now. Then we're going to bring in this guy first. We're going to try to work on the image like this, or not that one, this particular one. We'll try to see if we can get a color like this. All right, okay, you see that now. Okay, then we'll come over here now and add this guy. Okay, so this is where we can choose the yellow color. All right, and place it at the back here. We can still extend it. All right, just like that. We can even remove this and try to work on this. All right, so let's see what we can do. We can bring so let's see, fix this part. This is what we have now. Let's fix this part. We'll use this to fix it, and we'll come over here now. We'll have destruction of the wicket. We use this, then we'll come over here again, and we'll put this back. Right, so we have something like this. We just adjust it like this. We'll come over here, select the colors. We'll use this one, right, and we just rotate it like this. I want to even use white even, so I think white is preferable for me. All right, then we have this bottle hole here, right here. All right, very small here. We'll put it there, and then there's going to be a box. All right, just like a red shape there. So we'll just go over here, change the color to red. Okay, then I'll just adjust it and put it there, small. Still adjust it, then turn it a little like that. So we can bring this onto the front now. And then there's going to be a little write up there. So let's quickly get the write up. All right, so we're here. I'm going to come over here, and I will just quickly use a shape here to cover this, and I would create this. Then I'll do this. I'll come over here, just add maybe 2-point outline to it. I'll come over here. I would select the color, this color, with the shade of it that is so light like this. Then we'll okay it. So all we have to do is to maybe lock it, and then adjust this guy that is inside. All right, so I don't have the time to put all the logos. You can do that. So what is it? Then we have the address. All right, this is the address and phone number. We'll come over here, we'll do this, put this guy here. Okay, then for this number we'll use this one. Okay, we can use this. All right, okay, so this is going to be together like this, and then this is going to be separate, so we just reduce it. All right, so this guy is going to leave. Okay, so like that. So like this, we just fix it like that. All right, so there's going to be a demarcation here, demarcating line here. All right, so after that we are going to have another one here, 4:30 p.m. to 9. So let's go 4:30 p.m. to 9. All right, so we use the bold font for it. So we use this guy here. We'll close it up together like this, and then we'll just stretch it out here. Okay. All right, so what else we have? We have the logos are going to be fixed around this part here, and then we're going to have some lines here too. So let's just try to fix some of them. Maybe like this. All right, so we use maybe this guy. All right, so we can stretch it out a little more, close it up a little more. Okay. All right, so we can copy it if you want to. You can just copy it. Copy. Okay, so we can fix it here again and do this. We can fix it here, and we'll bring this to the front now. Then we'll bring this to the front. Bring this to the front. All right, then we'll bring this to the front, of course. All right, then we can shorten it. So let's just shorten it. All right, and drag it here a little. All right, so we'll come over here. I'll fix this phone number right here. All right, so we're done. All right. Let me bring this guy down here a bit. All right, so there's an arrow here. Just fix it, chop. Reduce it and fix it there. Okay. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. So when you're done, you can go ahead and do your editing to enhance you can remove this guy now. This can go. This can come to the front. Not that, this can come to the front. Okay, then this can come to the front too. Then of course this write-up can come to the front. So when you're done, you can go ahead and save your design. My name is Niamoda, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Subscribe, like this video for more tutorials like this.